Yep. Alright folks, this is what everybody's been waiting for, bitching about. Sorry it took so long. We didn't plan on this pandemic. You know, it's been crazy trying to get out to test this car. We still have not tested this car. Everybody thought that the car has been done for a long time. We went to Fuel Tech, dynoed it, made great power, then they shut us down. So with this pandemic deal, I apologize. A lot of you guessed right, a lot of you guessed wrong. So Junior and I and my wife and the whole team back at Lutz Race Cars, Ben Ross, everybody, we've been busting our ass to bring this car out. And I was sitting there, it was right before Christmas, and I was staring at the 57 and Mad Max was right above it. And I thought, same power plant, same everything, Rossler tranny, Pro torque converter, same size turbos. Mad Max go 205, 57 goes high 390s at 185. So, you know what? The past 3 years, man, we're here at Tulsa Raceway Park, hoping to shake it down, but of course Mother Nature's not being kind to us. I didn't want to push the reveal off any further. I know a lot of people have been waiting. 2006 GTO, 540. It's got Mad Max drivetrain in it. Fuel Tech EF5 management system, that's new for us. Let me tell you, this thing made good power with no boost, so we're expecting great things here. So the aerodynamics won't be a problem anymore. So we need to step it up, and this is how we're going to do it. Yep, we're going to walk around the car and show it to you.
Yes.
Let me tell you, I know every of it making a hit. Call him. Well, that worked out good because it was 11 o'clock at night here. It was 8 o'clock in the morning there. So we had him on the phone all the time dealing with problems, but we got it fired up. We got it ready to go, and I called Anderson and Lewis down at Fuel Tech. They said, hell yeah, bring it. We went down there at 35 pounds of boost. The thing made like 3,500 horsepower. So it was absolutely amazing. He wanted to keep going, but I know, don't mean.
That's the interior.
Show them the dash.
Yep.
And there's one more guy I gotta thank.